Hey guys, sorry about the voice, but I've been under the weather and I just barely got back from the concert up in San Jose. There's a Bon Jovi concert, so I pretty much blew my voice out tonight. Anyway, I'm going to start up a print. It's going to be a deal for squeezing the toothpaste to get it out of the tube. I've got a habit of just grabbing the center of the toothpaste and just squeezing it, and I love my wife and I don't want her to kill me or anything, so I'm going to go ahead and print this out and see how that works out. I'll put a link to it in the video description, and I will see you in the time lapse. Okay, so that was 3 hours and 13 minutes. Caught it right as it finished, so the plate was still pretty warm. I know I got a little bit of stringing. I actually turned up the temperature more than I should with this particular filament, but that's all right. I want it to bond really good. Pop out the support material. Nice. Okay. I forgot to grab some glue, but that's all right. I'll do that at a later time. Okay. So the way it works, take this, you fit this through. This particular model has this gear to it that fits into there. So as it fits through, it will actually lock into place. I'm going to have to do a little bit of cleaning. It's pretty much fitting in there. And then this fits on the very end here. And I will, looks like I might have to take a little burr off of it here a little bit. Okay, so I got the button on there. I just need to glue it on the rest of the way. But let's see. I think it goes from this way. Let's just double check. Let's see, I'll squeeze the toothpaste to the end as far as I can. Place this through here. And then, oh, don't drop it. Get it through the slot. There we go. And twist it. It does. It works good. Then you push it on that. That locks it into place. So you dispense to the toothpaste you need to dispense. And then poke it back in. To unlock it, you press in on the button here. Which, keep in mind, I haven't glued it yet, so it may fall back off again. Dispense more toothpaste and push in there. And it catches in the little cog. That's cool. That will do the trick. Hopefully that'll keep me out of trouble. Well, guys, that's going to do it. You have a good one. Hey guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. I sure appreciate it. You can do that by clicking on the link over here. Don't forget to ring the bell too. That way you'll get notified when a video comes out. If you'd like to support the channel, please click on my Patreon page. You can support the channel from there. And if you'd like to watch one of my other videos, please give these a shot. I think you'll love them. Yeah, I think you're going to like them. Have a great day and take care. Bye.